wide-legged forward fold. Prasarita Padottanasana. From standing, step one leg back with your feet 3 to 5 feet apart. Turn to the side of the room. Bring your feet parallel or turn them slightly in. Place your hands on your hips. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, bend forward with a long spine. Bring your fingertips or palms to the floor and walk them back until they're in line with your feet. Kneecaps lift. Bend elbows straight back to come deeper into the forward fold. Back of the neck remains long. Pull your abs up and in. Let the low back release and draw your shoulders away from your ears. Touch the crown of your head to the floor. Hold the pose and take 5 slow, full breaths. One, 2, 3, 4, pull your shoulders away from your ears. 5. Bring your hands to your hips and engage your back and abdominal muscles. Also engage your legs. Inhale, coming up with a flat back. Exhale, hop or walk your feet together.